Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily. Thank you for your support. Thank you for always watching my videos. And if you're new here, feel at home. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification button so that every time I upload a new video, you're the first one to be able to view it. So in this video, I want to show you how to share resources with Google Classroom to your students. And remember, in my first video I showed you how to create a new classroom and how to allow students join. So in part 2 of this video, I want to show you how to send them resources and be able to view them. So to do that, once you have your Google Classroom page open, we have the stream tab, we have the Google classwork, we have people, and we have grades. So to share resources, you're going to use the classwork tab. Then we have the create button. So from the list we have, you can share assignments. We have quiz assignments, which is almost the same as assignment. And you can also share a question. You can share a reference material, or you can reuse post. You can as well create a new topic. So if you look at my screen, you can see I have already created two topics. One is assignment and the other one is information and data. So to send an assignment, you're going to click on create button, then click on assignment. In the assignment details, you are supposed to specify the title, instructions, but they are optional. Then we have for which class, if you have several classes, and also you can specify the students, especially if they are not doing a subject as compulsory. Then we have the number of points, we have the date due, and we have the topic. Topic is important when you want to organize your work. You don't want just to post it anywhere, but in a specific topic. And this being an assignment, we are going to post it in the assignments topic that is already created. So I'll specify my title as computer. Okay. Leave information system. Systems assignment. Then instructions, I'll just put answer all questions. Then I can either add an already created file from Google Drive, or provide a link or attach a specific file or anything from YouTube video. Or I can use create button. So if you use create button, you can create one in Google Docs, you can create one in slides, you can create one in sheet, or drawings or forms. So today I want to add an already created file that is there in Google Drive, and the file is a form. So I go to my Google Drive, just give it few minutes to load. Then I have a blank quiz called ICT exam, and there you can see it is already added. So guys, let me know if you want to view a video on how to create these in Google Forms, so that I do a video for you. Then once you attach, you go to the points. I want to assign it 10. Then due date, I can give it a date, a random date, like maybe 3 days or 4 days after today. Then time can be optional, but you can give them up to 12 p.m. Then a topic will be assignments. Then you click on assign once you have specified all those things. And there you have it. You will see it added as ICT, information systems assignment with all that duration. So from the student's account, they'll be alerted of the new assignment and they can go ahead and start working on it. Then we have this other one, the quiz assignment option, which is similar to the first option, assignment. The only difference is it is going to give you a blank quiz option for you to go ahead and use it. That is if you want, but you still have the option to add an already created quiz from any of these options, or you can create another one from scratch. But now the only difference is going to give you a blank quiz form for you to be able to use it. Then we have another option, question option. This one, it's actually a question that is going to be sent directly to the student accounts. So let me add a discussion question like discuss the use of robotics in real world. Then you can have your instructions if you want, but I'm not going to add any. Then click on I'll specify it as a short answer. Then the points I want it to be 20 marks or points. Then date due can be tomorrow. Then optional timing like maybe 5 p.m. Then I want students to reply to each other. Then once you're done specifying all that, I almost forgot the topic. You also specify the topic, is still an assignment. Then you click on ask. The same way that question will be sent to the students. Then another option you can use is the material. So this one is used when you want to share reference material like a PDF, book, a Word document, a video, an audio, or any other format of document or file that you have. So in this case, I want to name it as a reference material. Then I specify the topic as information and data. Then I'm going to add a file from my Google Drive. Hopefully I have a document over there. I can use this one here. Then once it is done, I can post to the students. So this one will go as a reference material. Then lastly, you can as well reuse a post. Maybe there's a post you had posted earlier and want to reuse it, then you're going to use this one. It can be some of the questions or an assignment, etc, etc. Then lastly, we have the topic. So I'll just show you how to create a new topic by clicking on topic option. Then I'll add a topic name as ICT extra material. Then click on add. So as you can see, my new topic has been added. And that is it, guys. That is how we add or send resources to students.